Hello there, I'm making a video called Doing Pokemon Sounds. Yeah, so here it goes. I'm going to be doing Squirtle and Charmander. So here it goes. Squirtle! Wait, Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. Bulbasaur! 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 So I'll try to do as many as I can. So let's go on Haxorus. Haxorus. Now let's try to do Pikachu. Pikachu! Charizard. Now we're gonna do skirts and Surskit. Now Survivor. And Chansey. And I Raichu. Pichu. Axew. Scraggy. I already did Pikachu. Dragonite. Lapras. Now I'm gonna be doing Dogville. No. It's spelled so last evolution, but it sounds like this. And that's pretty much all there is. But there's more Pokemon I can do. I think. So let me just think of one. No. I guess that's it for this episode. See you guys later. Yeah.